This is one of my favorite instant ramens to eat. It's so easy to do. 3 minutes, read the instructions, and you just get 2 seasoning packages that you pour into the cup. You peel off the cap or the lid, and this is a premium instant ramen. It's a little bit above other instant ramens you'll see. So there's 2 seasoning packages. I use cold water for this example, and you're gonna fill up the water to the line inside the cup as you see right here, and pretty much you put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And just like that, it's ready to eat. This comes in a 6-pack, and I love how more flavorful this is than the regular instant ramen cup or package. And you can see all the seasoning has blended in, and here you can hear me eating the good ramen.